my top 5 packing hacks for your next holiday, starting at number 5 with toiletries. Snap-lock bags are your best friend to avoid spills. But the secret of expert travellers? Place plastic wrap over the container and seal it with the cap. At number 4, loose cables. Store your headphones, cables and cords in an old sunglass case and keep everything in the same place. At number 3, razor blades. To avoid accidents with razor blades when fumbling through your toiletries bag, place a clip over the top of the blade to protect it. Then you can also use the clip to hold the curtains together in your hotel room for a much better sleep. At number 2, repurpose small plastic containers. Use empty Tic Tac packs for small items like bobby pins. And if you want to bring a small amount of lotions, place them into an empty contact case. At number 1, keep your clothes smelling fresh. Aren't you sick of your clothes picking up the scent of old smelly socks? Pack a tumble dryer sheet between your clothes in your suitcase to keep everything smelling fresh throughout your trip. Well, there you have it, my top 5 packing hacks to make packing for your next trip a breeze.